Step-by-step peach and apricot pie. To make the crust, in a large bowl, blend together the dry ingredients. Cut the butter into pieces. Add the butter and, using your hands, a pastry blender or fork, blend until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Add the ice water, using your hands to mix the dough just until it comes together in a ball. Gather the dough into 2 balls, shape into flattened discs, and wrap each in cling wrap. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour. On a lightly floured surface, roll out one of the dough discs into a 12-inch round. Center the dough on a 9-inch pie plate. Press it into the edges and use a paring knife or scissors to trim any dough that is hanging over the edge of the pan. To make the filling, cut the peaches and apricots into 1-inch slices. Squeeze the lemon. In a large bowl, combine the peaches, apricots, cardamom, lemon juice, vanilla, sugar, cornstarch, and salt, and toss to mix completely. Mound the peach-apricot mixture into the prepared crust. On a lightly floured surface, roll out one of the dough discs to a 15-inch round. Use a star-shaped cookie cutter to cut the dough into individual stars. Layer the cutouts over the filling in an overlapping pattern until the entire pie is covered. Transfer the pie to the freezer and freeze for 1 hour. Remove the pie from the freezer and brush the top crust lightly with heavy cream. Sprinkle with the reserved 1 tablespoon sugar. Place the pie on a rimmed baking sheet. Bake until the crust is golden, peaches are tender and juices bubbling, about 1 hour 30 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the pie to a cooling rack and cool completely. Serve at room temperature. That's how you make step-by-step peach and apricot pie.